mga ka-wonders, and napakasarap ng dagat dito sa Boracay, no? I hope I can be back next summer. You can notice that a lot of sailboats there, that area. Probably that's in Station 1, and you can rent some of the sailboats there to enjoy the... Welcome to Kalibo Aklan. Tingnan muna natin yung Welcome to Ibahay. Yan. So ito yung public market. Then we will try to see what's actually is here. Oh, kasi merong processions. So explore lang muna natin, guys. Yung church area dito, we'll see kung saan yun. Yun pala. So this is actually the place where Ati-Atihan was very popular. Yung Ibahay. Yan. So hindi masyadong luma yung church nila, guys. Alright, so ito yun, guys. Alright, so this is the town of Ibahay, and the church not so old. Okay, and you have the town plaza and the town hall. May mga children's playground, guys. So yan. Okay, so I guess we will have to move on to the next town. So guys, we are here now at the intersection of Nabas and Kalibo. So we will be passing through here. Hello mga ka-wonders, we are here now at the White Sands of Boracay. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and you can see there are a lot of people already here taking some photos in the beach area and enjoying the waves. Alright, so it's totally different from summer season or Amihan summer season, where the water is calm, but during the Habagat it's wavy, a lot of waves. So maganda pa rin. It's nice to take a swim here, and of course the sky is clear, so hindi umuulan, and we are happy to be here right now to enjoy the beauty of Boracay. See you mga ka-wonders. Mga ka-wonders, so this is how Station 2 Boracay looks like during daytime. Okay, so still we have a nice beachfront here. Alright, so this is okay. So early this morning, kanina ay nagkaroon na kami ng photo shoots with my model. So we are going to see the beach area during this time of the day. Okay, so keep watching mga ka-wonders. See you in a bit. Hello mga ka-wonders. We're back on the beach. So this area is the Station 3 of Boracay White Sands. So it's just the same with the location. Early this morning we were on Station 2. Doon pa rin yung White Sands, and you can see a lot of people here swimming and enjoying the day. Hello mga ka-wonders, we are here at Coast Resort in Station 2 Boracay. So maganda, I like the setup here, the pool area, and it's well ventilated. Yan. Hello mga ka-wonders, I'm still here at the beach area at around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So you can see still a lot of people here enjoying the beach, enjoying the waves. Alright. So this is the time where I will have to enjoy swimming by myself. See you in a bit mga ka-wonders. Mga ka-wonders, and napakasarap ng dagat dito sa Boracay, no? I hope I can be back next summer. So you can notice that a lot of sailboats there in that area. Probably that's in Station 1, and you can rent some of the sailboats there to enjoy some of the activities here in the beach area. And also aside from the one that you can see in the Station 1, you can also see there another group of sailboats located after the Station 3. Okay, so doon pa rin mga ka-wonders. Maganda. Okay, now I have to take a walk for a while and enjoy the afternoon vibes here. Alright, so kahit na maalon, nandito pa rin yung magandang white beach, yung napakapinong buhangin ng Boracay, mga ka-wonders. Okay, you can see the coconut trees line up. Okay. It's a little bit windy. Hindi allowed yung drones dito. You have to secure a permits in order to be able to fly a drone. Mahirap, no? They have some restriction here. So we'll just enjoy our talking on the action cam, or maybe here you can use your cell phones. Okay. Yan. Alright, see you in a while, mga ka-wonders. Hello mga ka-wonders. You can also use a paddle board. It's available here for rent, no? Maganda ito dahil may kunting alon yung dagat, so mapupush ka ng alon, no? Parang nagsusurfing, but it's a lot more easier kasi yung alon is just small, dali lang, no? It's not as big as the waves in Siargao. Maliliit lang yung mga alon dito because of habagat season. Okay. Kung amihan naman, masyadong malinaw at kalmado yung tubig dito sa Boracay. Okay? Pero kahit na may kunting alon, maganda pa rin, no? This place is really nice. And kung marami kayong pera, magkataon na marami kayong pera, you can visit this place maybe twice a year. Okay? Right. Hello mga ka-wonders, we are here at the D-Malls Boracay. So it's already night time when we arrive here. Still have to look for a place where we can have our dinner. So yun mga ka-wonders, tingnan niyo. This is how the place looks like at night. So this is my third time here mga ka-wonders na nagpunta sa Boracay. So smile.